it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today I'm going to be cleaning out and organizing my pantry. It is a disaster, as you can see. I've been teaching my kids to help more around the house and put things away and that kind of stuff, and with that, it's a little extra messy because things aren't put away right. They take things out, don't put them back all the way. I sound like I'm blaming it all on my kids. It's also my fault too, because sometimes I get lazy. You get back from the grocery store, you're exhausted, and you just want to throw stuff in and you'll organize it later. So later is now. We're going to clean out this mess. With us being, I think we're on week 3 of being quarantined at our house, I want to get this done now. Now is the time. We have no better time than this. Since we're stuck at home, we might as well get this clean and organized. Then I can also find things, use them up more efficiently. Because you know you will find random stuff in the back of your pantry that is about 2 years expired or something like that, and we don't want to do that. So we're going to clean it out, get it all done. Another reason why I want to clean out my pantry is when we're eventually able to socialize again. We love to have people over, and I'm always the one who's like, oh no, the doorbell rang, quick, let's go close the pantry door so no one sees what's inside. You know what I'm talking about. So hopefully we won't have to do that again. We were like, oh, what would you like? And they'll be so impressed with how clean it is. All right, let's get started. I saved these for my garden. I'm going to plant some seedlings in here, take the top off, and they're going to be like mini greenhouses. I don't normally keep milk jugs. I got this box from my grandpa. He made it a long time ago, and he stored tools and stuff like that in it, and I saw it, and he asked me if I wanted it, and I did, of course. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been lifting lots of water bottles and things. So he asked me if I wanted this, and I said, of course I do. This is really when that farmhouse look was like really in, which it still is, and I still like it a lot, but I had it as a centerpiece on my kitchen table for a long time. It's so cute, and I want to do another one. I want to put do a fun centerpiece with maybe succulents or something like that. Anyway, if I do, I will of course make a video with it. This is the garlic I have left that I grew in my own garden last year. And then I got so busy this fall that I forgot to plant more, so yeah. But this has been since midsummer. Yeah. I have seriously simplified my recipe books because, you know, Pinterest, but I have Magnolia Table, of course. Better Homes and Gardens cookbook. My grandma got this for me when I moved out and got an apartment in college. And then my grandma also got me this book. I got this for myself. I love to use these clothespins, because you can get a big bag for pretty cheap, as my chip clips, because you get a lot for cheap and they're so cute. My pantry is full of these bags of chips with like half a handful left. Thank you, children. So I'm just going to toss them because I don't want to have chips in here anyway. This whole box has 1 bar left, so I will be throwing the box away. This is my kitchen scale that I use to weigh my wreath boxes. If you haven't seen that video of how I package and ship my wreaths, I will link it here. I know it has nothing to do with this video, but this is where I keep my scale. Another reason to have a cleaned out pantry is so you know what you have, so you don't buy multiples. Whenever we have a bunch of people over, we always think, do we have enough cups? And we always buy more, so we have so many random bags of cups. We have enough. Check this out. This is full of all different kinds of cookie cutters because my husband loves baking and decorating cookies. It's really cute. Lego molds. I made chocolate Lego guys and Lego bricks, and Jello Lego guys and Lego bricks for my son's birthday party a little bit ago. It was so fun. $11 for all of these on Amazon for the best birthday decorations. Whew. Okay, now that all of this is cleaned out, it's time to wipe off the shelves and sweep the floor and get all that cleaned up so I have a nice clean slate. Put everything back in. Okay. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Okay, let's get back to cleaning. So I just wanted to show you, I got these 4 baskets from, I have a bunch of baskets already, but I got 4 of these baskets from Target. They're also available on Amazon. I will try and link them below if I can. I thought these would help organize a little more. They're the perfect depth. Anyway, so I just got 4 of them, and hopefully that'll help me organize a little bit. I know I have a lot of stuff, so we'll see how this goes. I really like these. They're really pretty and they're really sturdy. I think it's going to be a good addition to my pantry. now my pantry is all done and it feels so good to have this done. This took way longer than I thought it would. It's not perfect, but I really love how it turned out. I still need to get more containers for all of my extra bulk things, but having the baskets really helps. So I have all of our cereal and taller items on the top, and baking things and serving things, and then in the next row I have a lot of snacky things and our crackers, and back here I have noodles in their own bin. And then this is more of our bulk items, our healthier stuff. This is the stuff we use more often and restock constantly. Then my tea, gotta have my tea, my coffee, so it keeps this running. And then I have all my garbage bags, and then I have cleaning things and organizing things, and then our plasticware over here and our plastic cups. And then I love this. This has all of my canned foods, and I love that it spins. It's a good use of space for the corner. And then these are all refill items. A lot of them will go back in the fridge. And then just refills of pasta sauce and things like that. And then I have extra stuff like light bulbs and random stuff on the top, and my cookbooks over here. And then I have some paints and candles and just random stuff. There's nowhere else in the house to store them, and it's most convenient here because I use them in the kitchen and dining room. Down here I have my jars, ramen noodles, because sometimes I'm tired after homeschooling my kids all day now and I settle for unhealthy food. And then water bottles, my husband's favorite drinks. It's better than soda. He's stopping soda and I'm very proud of him, so if he wants to get that, that's great. Paper towels, and then over here we have oils, baking things, more baking things. My husband loves to bake, so we have to keep that fully stocked. So, and in case you're wondering where's all your flour and things like that, I keep that on the counter in containers, but then the backups are in here. That is it. What do you think? Let me know if you have any tips for me, if there's another way you would do it, and how is your pantry organized. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!